As a spotter, you may see several things that can confuse you. Be sure to take your time when spotting so you aren't fooled. One of your challenges will be the distance of the storm from you. In this particular example, is this a tornado or a funnel cloud? It looks like it could be a tornado. The point extends pretty close to the ground. However, because of the distance, you can't see for sure. No debris is being lofted yet, so report it as a funnel cloud, but watch carefully for it to develop into a full tornado. In this particular example, from Pekin on November 17th, 2013, it is hard to tell if this is a tornado or a funnel cloud. It actually is a tornado. However, the trees block the view for the first 15 or 20 seconds of the video. Here you can see the tornado clearly on the ground. Be careful around trees and on curvy roads. Scud clouds are probably the most confusing items you'll run into. These are low-hanging clouds. They appear to be attached to the bottom of the storm cloud, but they actually aren't. They can be easily confused for wall clouds and funnel clouds, especially at night. Be sure to look for a lack of rotation to confirm it is a scud cloud. Here are several examples of scud clouds. In this example, you can see that the cloud is clearly not connected to the rest of the storm. This one looks like it's connected to the storm, but it's kind of hard to tell. And these clouds are not attached to the storm. Sometimes you will see virga. This is precipitation that evaporates before it reaches the ground. They will appear as streaks below the cloud. In these examples, you can see that the overall cloud depth is actually very shallow and is probably not even producing any thunder, let alone a tornado. Here some of the precipitation has made it to the ground and appears as a rain shaft. It may look more like a tornado at this point, but once again, because of the lack of cloud depth, it is really nothing more than rain.